There's so many different types of warm-ups out there. There's warm-ups just to get your hands warm. There's warm-ups for your bass drum foot. Warm-ups for your mind.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And the warm-ups that I probably use the most for my job are the ones that get me acquainted with a drum set that's not my own. So obviously my all-time favorite warm-ups are ones that combine all of those elements together, and that's exactly what this one does. YouTubers, what's up? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Get the elephant in the room out of the way. First of all, new tattoos. Have to wear my watch on the opposite hand. Usually wear my watch on my right hand. No, I'm not left-handed, but my father was left-handed, and I always saw him wearing his watch on his right hand. So when I started wearing a watch, that's where I put it. And then other people are like, oh, I didn't know you were left-handed. I was like, I'm not. And then they told me why people that are right-handed wear their watch on their left. It doesn't matter. Just know that the watch is over here because I've got fresh tattoos and they are a little tender at the moment. Now that that's out of the way, let's talk about this exercise. So like I said, I want it to warm up my body, my hand speed, my foot speed. I want it to warm up my mind. I also want to make sure that I'm getting used to a new drum set. This does all of that. It's based, you can feel this as 16th notes or as 32nd notes. Let's take it one beat at a time, feeling it as 16th notes, because it's only one measure of 16th notes. It's 16 notes long, one beat at a time. Beat one is right, left, right, left. So snare, rack, floor, floor. Beat two, a little linear thing going. Kick, right, left, kick, hands are on the floor tom. Beat three, floor, snare, snare, snare is all singles. Then beat four, right, left, kick, kick. So nice and slow, 60 beats per minute as 16th notes. So as you can see in here, this is a very well-balanced warm-up because you're getting it a little bit of everything. Now to really give it a little bit of everything, I like to play eighth notes on my left foot as splash, close, splash, close. A lot of people don't utilize the splash of a hi-hat, mainly because they've never practiced it. Well, I'm telling you, it's not that difficult, but you do need to carve out time to just say, okay, I'll touch the sticks later, I'll get to all this later. I'm just gonna sit here with my left foot and try different things, heel down, heel up. For splashing, I'm literally punching the hi-hat pedal with my foot very flat, and then to close it, I go to a heel up position like this. Sorry, I'm getting carried away. By the way, I apologize if the left foot's slightly out of focus. I have the foot cam focused on the bass drum pedal, so if it's a little blurry, I do apologize. All right, now let's kick this thing up to our goal tempo, which is 80 BPM, but played as 32nd notes. So 60 BPM as 16th notes, now to 80 BPM as 32nd notes. That's more than twice as fast, so there should be a lot of practice in between. I'm just skipping forward so you can see what your future is like. That thing's fun to play. I mean, it's supposed to be a warm-up, but I'm like, that's a decent chop. That's a decent chop. Now keep in mind, speed is totally relative. Maybe you're someone that plays a lot of fast music and a lot of fast drumming, then maybe kick it up to 100 BPM. Maybe you're somebody that will never go that fast, back it off to 70 BPM. It's totally relative, but you want to push yourself to the max of your limits. Now, if you like warm-ups like this, I have an entire course on my favorite warm-ups on mikeslessons.com. You can check that out. But for now, practice this one, enjoy this one, mess with it, see if you can come up with your own version of it, your own orchestration, something that you can be truly proud of. But until next time, go practice.